Let's talk Tesla. Joining us right now is Craig Irwin, Roth Capital Senior Research Analyst. Good morning to you. We've been talking about Elon Musk and, well, frankly, we've been talking about Twitter all week, Craig, but there's a view that his involvement with Twitter may be having an impact on Tesla and the share price there. What do you think?
Yeah, no, I think you're dead on the money. You know, I've seen Tesla as egregiously overvalued for about the last year and a half. And, you know, its valuation, I believe, is driven by hype. Twitter is a hype machine. Musk is very clearly stepping away from Tesla to Twitter. He's got a lot of things to fix over at Twitter, and that is pulling the hype off Tesla. The idea that maybe he's named Tom Zhu as the successor, I don't know when he's going to take the reins, is also a fairly big negative for Tesla. So, you know, he's a very talented executive. Tesla's a very important company. It's transformed transportation for the world. But you know, we think people should ask, you know, really, what do we want to pay for this, and what's it going to look like in 5 years?
Craig, what do you think fair value is for this company right now?
Shouldn't be worth more than Toyota. So I think something well below 100. My price target's 85.
Your price target's $85. We're at $176 today. How much of that relates to his involvement in SpaceX and Twitter and other things? How much of that is just what you think this business unto itself is worth? If there was no Twitter and no SpaceX, would you say the same thing or no?
I would say the same. I would say exactly the same thing. I think, you know, I've been saying that actually for a while. I'm pretty stubborn. I stick with my thesis for a long time unless I get pushed off it pretty hard. I don't believe Tesla's worth more than a company like Toyota. Sells, you know, almost an order of magnitude more vehicles than they do. There's nothing.
And you don't buy the argument that Tesla ultimately could turn out to be way more than a classic automobile company, insofar as it could turn into a robotaxi business, given the, you know, the self-driving features that they're creating. It could turn into a solar business. It could. I'm just, you know, that the thesis around the stock price being as high as it is today. You know, Ron Barron's been on our broadcast and others. Would be that it really can't be considered an automobile company unto itself.
I think those are false arguments. So the self-driving capability is something that consumes power. If you're going to have level 4 with technology that's on the drawing board today, you're going to consume just as much power for the actual ADAS system itself as you would for the drivetrain. You know, think about cutting the miles you can drive in half. You know, that's actually also fairly expensive to operate, and the technology is not there. It's not safe enough. They're having serious problems with optical apparitions causing fatal accidents. You know, I don't see robotaxis anytime soon. There's a lot of other things people like to point to, software, et cetera. I don't think Toyota can't do that. You know, there's no reason Porsche or Daimler or someone else can't do that.